Hello everyone, welcome back to English Odyssey with me. Right now, I am in front of the mosque, and right now I will see the stair. It's located in front of the our area's mosque. Okay, so right now I will enjoy one football match because beside there are one big big field. There some player playing football. Two team they will preparing to play the football match, so I will go there and I will enjoy the match. Okay, every afternoon time after Idul Fitr, every people gather in the field and they become separate to in two team, and they arrange every afternoon time one football match and they enjoy the afternoon time. I will go there to enjoy. Okay, you can see, and I am going. Okay, I have one big problem. It is I cannot talk to lots of people. I cannot talk in front of people. That's why I feel shy. And right now I, I want to go there, but there are lots of people. But I have to cope with the problem because it's very big problem. It will, if I don't reduce the shyness, I cannot go develop. Okay, so I will try to say something in front of them. Right, right now I am in the field. You can see behind me some people, some players, they're playing football. Okay, they're separated two team and they're enjoying the football match, and I'm also watching their football match. Okay, and in one of them students, they play very well. Okay, and he is a very small, and but his controlling of the ball is very awesome, and you can see behind me and they're playing. Okay, and this is Shahid. Okay, and I'm also enjoying the football match a lot. Wherever I go, I try to make videos. Right now I'm in the field, that's why I am making these videos to improve my English speaking. And you can see over there opposite side there one cameraman, they're making videos to upload their Facebook page. I'm also making videos to improve my English speaking. I try to practice every day, and that's why I make videos every day. And also you can see behind me to one child, they playing something on the teeny part of the tree. Some people cut the trees and they enjoying the afternoon time with his friend. And over there lots of player playing football. Okay, and so it's very enjoyable for us to watch. Right now I am walking on the road, and the road beside the big field. So I am walking in this road, and I am making this video to improve my English speaking, and it's very crucial for me. Right now I came on the tongue because I lots of time I walking, that's why I feel tired, and right now I am taking rest beside the field. You can see on the tongue there are some cloths of the player. They're enjoying the football, they're playing the football match, and I am also watching their football. And firstly I would like to share with you how important English speaking practice. That's why I always try to practice speaking. Whatever you want to learn, you have to practice more. Without practicing, you can't be able to fluent speaker. So I try my best to speak English fluently. That's why I always practice wherever I go. Okay, so you also practice every day, and if you like my videos, you can share my videos. Okay.